Hi everyone. Today we'll be going over some of our most frequently asked questions regarding financial aid. The first question is, what is Fafsa and how do I apply for it? The Fafsa is the free application for federal student aid, and students can create an account and apply online at studentaid.gov. Another question is, do I need a high school diploma or GED to apply for financial aid? Yes. Having a high school diploma or high school equivalency is required in order to apply for the Fafsa. Many students ask us this next question: why was I selected for verification, and what documents do I need to submit? If you were selected for verification, it is because the information reported on the Fafsa was inconsistent or conflicting. You will need to resubmit all documents listed in your TMCC email/to-do list in order to complete the verification process. The next question we have is, what parents' information should I use on my Fafsa? This depends on the marital status of your parents and how they filed their taxes. This is also determined by who you lived with for the majority of the previous tax year. If your parents are married or have remarried, you'll be required to provide both parents' information. If your parents are not married or single, you will need to list the parent who is financially supporting you more than 50%. Inconsistencies with parent reporting or conflicting information reported on your Fafsa can cause a delay in completing your financial aid file. If you and your parents need help completing the Fafsa or have questions about which parent's information goes on the Fafsa, please contact our office. Another one of the most common questions we receive in financial aid is, I applied for the Fafsa, but I haven't received any money yet. How long will it take to receive the money from the Pell Grant? Financial aid eligibility depends on several factors. One, the student's EFC, or Estimated Family Contribution, is an index used by the Department of Education to determine students' federal aid eligibility. Two, federal aid is prorated based on a student's enrollment status each semester. Students enrolled full-time will receive a higher Pell Grant award compared to a student who is only enrolled part-time. Three, the Pell Grant is only available to students who have not earned their first bachelor's degree. 4. Finally, students must be meeting financial aid satisfactory academic progress and must have a complete financial aid file to receive any type of aid. If you are eligible for aid or not, we will send all communications to your TMCC student email and your communication center to let you know. The best way to track your financial aid status is to log into your My TMCC account and review the content listed in the Communication Center box. This will give you details about the status of your Fafsa application. Finally, the last question we receive is, when will I receive my aid? Aid awards are dispersed weekly on Thursdays. Funds will take longer to receive if mailed to the students, so it is imperative that your mailing address is current in your student file. If you would like to receive your funds quicker, it is encouraged that you enroll in the direct deposit program within your My TMCC Student Center. If you are eligible for any type of aid or scholarship, these funds will first be dispersed to your student account to pay your current semester balance. If you have excess aid remaining, the Financial Aid Office works with accounting services to process students' financial aid return checks every week. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office at 775-673-7072. Have a great day and go Lizards!